Introducing the world-first THERMA-JET steam heat therapy. Your customers' feet will never go cold again. Lexor's exclusive feature to constantly keep water at a preset temperature. Give your customers the spa experience they deserve. Lexor is proud to be the first and only company in the world to manufacture pedicure chairs from A to Z, with a factory size of more than 500,000 square feet. We have 3 distribution warehouses, 15 showrooms across the US, and a 24/7 customer care team always ready to meet the needs of the nail industry. Your convenience and success are the success of Lexor. Lexor, the key to salon success.